There you go, this is my friend's combine. He sold it actually recently. I didn't think he had it anymore. But this is a Volvo S1000 and I'm actually quite glad it's here still. And I'm a little bit upset that he sold it really. I mean, it's not up to me obviously, but I tell you what, it's in some good nick. It's got to be 1960 it would have been built, but look at it. It's absolutely mint. You know, like I would have bought it. Apparently the engine in it's worth a lot of money. Some kind of Volvo engine. But if you look at it, it's immaculate for, you know, a machine that's 60 years old. Look at it, it's fresh as a daisy, it's so good. Like, it's just amazing. But you see, the downside of it being it's such a big combine, it's humongous. And it's got a 15-foot header, which is on it at the minute. There you go, massive old Penta, it says. Penta diesel. Apparently, very good engine. There's the drum look. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful combine. I know I always say that, and I like them all. But this is a particularly interesting one. That I think looks like it would be an interesting machine to drive. There you go. Oh, that's awesome. Do you know what? I really would love to own this as well. I won't be buying it. Just simply because of space and everything. Like I say, I am definitely very glad it's still here. Look at that. You don't see one of them every day. So I think referred to as the Rolls Royce of combines in their day. That's what they were known as. Go back round and just show you a bit more. There you go. BM Volvo. I didn't know what BM stood for, but I can't remember. Somebody could probably tell me. Look at that. What a wonderful combine. Hopefully that will see a bit of work again one day. I'd love to see that working. That'd be brilliant. In fact, I'd love to drive it.